Bitcoin, of course, has been getting this massive break towards the downside, but yesterday has been bouncing back towards the upside ever so slightly, filling up this Bitcoin CME gap and once again retracing back towards the downside. So we are going to need to be talking about this exactly. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin, because this is looking very dangerous. We are sitting on live support currently. Well guys, definitely make sure to be checking it out. We can be having a look into what's new patterns being created. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, of course, Bitcoin has been getting these massive breakdowns towards the downside. And yesterday I was telling you that this probably is going to be a massive bear trap, and in that short term Bitcoin was actually starting to look pretty good. And yes, indeed, we have been seeing this bounce back towards the upside, but we failed to create any continuation. We filled up this Bitcoin CME gap over here just perfectly, and after filling up this gap over here, we got a perfect rejection and once again retraced towards the downside. Now right now Bitcoin is sitting at a massive level of support, also in that short term on that hourly time frame over here. So it is going to be crucial for Bitcoin to hold this level over here. If you are going to be breaking down below this level right now, definitely lower targets are about to be getting reached. But I definitely do want to be saying that this is not looking very good for Bitcoin. Alright, we got a lot of momentum towards the upside right here, and we wanted to be seeing this continuation towards the upside. We do not want to be seeing this, move towards the upside, instantly getting retraced back towards the downside. Definitely right now in the short term, the trend is looking a little bit more bearish right here, with this pump towards the upside instantly getting retraced back towards the downside. But do still keep in mind that right now Bitcoin is still sitting at these levels of support. So in my opinion, pretty likely it is still going to be more likely that we are going to be holding a level of support than that we are going to be breaking down below. Okay, of course, that is going to be classical technical analysis. It is going to be more likely that we are going to be holding a level of support than that we are going to be breaking down below. Now, I do want to be saying that these bounces from off this level are getting weaker and weaker each and every single time. Right now we are getting a very small little bounce, so we do definitely want to be seeing a bigger bounce anytime soon. Otherwise we can be seeing the chances increasing of us actually breaking down below. So in the case of a breakdown, that is definitely not going to be looking good. In the case of a breakdown, I think we are still going to be filling up this wick over here, and then we are going to be just creating a massive bullish divergence and then see our next move towards the upside getting initiated. So either way, if you are going to be seeing this move towards the downside getting initiated, well, I'm going to be glad and grateful for that opportunity as well, because that is going to be a massive moment in the market where we can be entering. Of course, I've been talking about this opportunity for many times already on this channel, but also at the opposite side, if you are still going to be holding this level of support over here, we can be having a look into a larger scale consolidation pattern over here. So let's have a look what is going to be happening in that short term. Definitely we are sitting at a crucial decision moment right now. Are we going to be breaking down below or not? That is going to be crucial anyways. If we are going to be having a look into some metrics, we can still be seeing that Bitcoin is dumping while USD Tether is printing more and more. So a huge divergence is being created here still. And yeah, usually whenever the US dollar Tether market cap is increasing, that is a very bullish leading indicator for the Bitcoin price. Also at the same time, at the current levels we are currently trading at, well, we are sitting at levels of fear for the Bitcoin market sentiment. So yes, whenever the market is fearful, that should usually be a moment where we should be buying. So that is definitely looking very good. At the same time, also the funding rates are spiking negative over on Bybit, over on Binance. They are trading very low. So that is also definitely looking very bullish. So still having a look at our metrics, it is going to be, of course, more likely that we are going to be getting supported by our levels of support. But yeah, let's see what is going to be happening next at this crucial level of support over here. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself right now, definitely make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus, and on top of that, you can also be claiming a $500 free trade. So that is going to be quite insane. Make sure to be checking it out. All you need to do is click on that first link down below, sign up a new account with KYC level 1, and there you go. You can be claiming these free deposit bonuses and also this $500 free trade. Anyways, today we are trading at a Friday at the moment of recording this video, and yes, we did tend to see that recently during our last few weeks. Well, Friday was always packed with a lot of volatility, so we can be seeing the same thing happening all over again, that we are going to be seeing a lot of volatility during the Friday. Do be prepared for that. Usually during the end of our weekends, we have usually been seeing a little bit more bullish price action, so let's see what is going to be happening once again during the Friday and during the weekend. Anyways, with this recent Bitcoin dump, we are just going to be consolidating even longer inside of this pattern over here. But yeah, like I've said for many times, the longer we are going to be consolidating over here inside of these patterns, eventually the more explosive the move will be. Do keep that in mind. Currently, we are still trading inside of a summer. Guys, the summer is almost over. And yeah, after the summer, I do think we are going to be continuing our trend towards the upside, just like we did during our last summer in 2023. And yes, of course, we do know that usually during the course of the summer, well, Bitcoin just tends to consolidate and just tends to chop around. This summer, once again, the same exact thing is happening. But I think that after this Bitcoin summer of chop, we are once again going to be seeing the continuation of the Bitcoin bull market. So guys, do keep that in mind. Anyways guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.